Welcome back to Land to House. It's going to be an interesting week because the place that I work is taking us on a little vacation, and so my week is cut short by 2 days for this vlog. But for right now, I'm in my dad's truck. We've got a pretty big load of mulch, and the car behind me is also packed full of mulch. We're going to be doing some yard work at my sister's place tomorrow, so I'll bring you along for that. Should be quite exciting. Some more exciting news to share with you is the Land to House hats are in. But I'll show you those here in just a bit when we get done with this mulch unloading.
We saw a real turtle, like that, you know, like that size. Yeah. And Rue found it and he harassed it.
Oh
I
dear.
finally threw him inside so the poor turtle could. I'm not sure if it's right.
Well, we moved all 42 bags of mulch from the nursery place to my sister and brother-in-law's house, and tomorrow will be a big day of yard work. Let's check out the hats. So this is basically just a test run to see how they're going to be. I like the blue a lot. So it's got the Land to House logo on the front, and then the back has Land to House with the play button. So this is just my first test run. What I'm going to do is, I think next time, shrink the logo down just a little bit, and then shrink down the red just a little bit. But man, I like these hats. So that's the blue. The black is actually more of a gray, and I think it turned out really nice. And then the green is really good. And then I've been wearing the khaki color as well. Write in the comments down below which color you like. I'm going to go ahead and put these up for sale, especially this one. I bought 12 of those. So anyway, let me know what you think, and would you change anything? But anyway, the fit is really nice. It's got the metal closure on the back, and the extra goes into this little loop here. And yeah, it's just a super nice quality hat. Now you can peel off the extra paper here around the threads, but I guess they just use that to set the design. But so let's see how it looks whenever I put one on my head. So I've not adjusted this one to fit, but anyway, I like it. It's pretty good. Now, one thing I've considered is changing the gray on the house to a little bit lighter color to maybe stand out more. But I think it's pretty good how it is, though. I might do a little review video on my time with this company. It was a pretty good time. So, Ashley, for the past 2 years, has been politely asking that I paint the base of our kitchen table white. So it's been black for a while now. And today she asked with a little bit more authority. And so we just bought some paint, and I'm going to be painting this right now. Okay, there's a quick first coat. My thoughts are I want to get this as white as I can with the roller, and then come back later and get it with the spray paint if I need to. Well, I've been working on a ultralight backpacking tent for like 2 months now, so let's head down here to some grass and get it set up and see how well it is doing. It's been a while since I've set it up, and I really hope I haven't messed anything up, so let's give it a try. Well, it's definitely getting there. I'm sure I have a few of my cuts that are way off from the original design. I'm definitely going to have a pull out from here. As you can see, it's really saggy and then tightens well up there. So that's going to be necessary, and now I have to get the vestibule sewn in. But I wanted to see how the zipper worked here. So that's pretty good. I like that. Got a little bit crazy down here with the zipper. There's too much excess, but it was really hard to cut a zipper like that. But anyway, that's gonna do pretty good. I think it has enough of a bathtub to really keep water out. And then I do have tie outs that I'm gonna be using here, and that will really keep the water from hitting the screen, so all that'll be out like that, hopefully. But anyway, it's getting there. I like it so far. There's a good breeze I can test how well it does in. Oops, I pulled the stake out. Put on your cool dude glasses.
Let's put them on.
Where's your cool dude glasses?
Did I get you the hour?
High five. Oh yeah.
High five.
Oh yeah. High five. Oh yeah.
High five. Can you pound it? You ever had to pound it?
Johnson / McMillan, so it may go well. Wow, y'all did good.
You carrying up the sidewalk?
No.
Keep going. Whoa.
That's the good stuff there.
The surface is good, not that heavy.
Y'all sure?
We're just picking it up off the stone. Yeah. It's like look at all these engineers out here picking heavy stuff up. We're out here working in full force. It's a nice windy day, so it's kind of cool, and we're just taking care of stuff. I've just been trimming this one back so we can get to the path here, and I'm about to crank up the chainsaw, I believe.
So what do y'all think?
Looks pretty good.
How does this first little section look?
I don't know what y'all doing over there, but we just finished our garden over here.
How does that first little section look?
Nice and neat. That looks beautiful.
You almost got it. There you go. Maybe go just a little bit further to make sure the roots are out. Yeah, you're good.
Can we get the dirt off of it?
I think so, yeah.
Oh, come here. Oh, look, here's another one of these, whatever this is. I love those. They're so beautiful.
Well, we had a really great work day yesterday. Got a lot done. Was definitely tired. Well, Emma just walked down to the pond down here. We talked to the neighbors for a bit. And tomorrow, my sister is gonna bring her 2 kids up, and we're gonna hopefully have a little boating adventure on the pond. So that should be fun. Well, it's about nap time for Emma. So I'm gonna get her down, and then, oh my goodness gracious. Lainey is rolling in some of the stickiest mud around. Oh no. Dog, this is gonna be a problem. I'm about to have one unhappy wife at the house. Anyway, when she's sleeping, I'm going to build the bridge that I had started last week. It was, I got all the cuts made, and then Ashley and I went on our hot date, so hopefully I'll get that done here in just a bit. Well, Emma is in bed now for a nap, and I'm out here at the old bridge. So I made this thing several years ago. Look at this poison ivy hanging out here. And it's just starting to fall apart. I think it's this one is just loose. So anyway, I'm going to use these leftover boards from the ATV cart that I was making and make a little bridge. Let me see if I can move this thing real quick. I hope there's not a hornet's nest under here. There has been in the past. Yeah, it's a good size hornet's nest. All right, so I got both the edges on there. Just going to toss these boards here in the middle and see where they need to be as far as being spread out. Since I don't have too many of these, I can't do them back to back, but I can come close. Cool. Well, I believe that's going to be the finished product. It is definitely nice and sturdy to walk across, and much wider than the previous bridge. So I think I'm going to be happy with that. And I think the holes are small or narrow enough that Emma won't be getting her feet trapped in there. But she and I have been walking down here a lot, and she likes to take the bridge over and over again. So this will be much better for that. Cool, I like it. Last week I took apart some boards off my little cart here that I've been trying to build. I basically shrunk it down by a board on each side. And so I have these tires here, and I'm replacing my first attempt, which was that tire right there, much too small. Also, I was trying to do separate structure here for the tire support, but I'm just going to have to go a bar straight through. And I've ordered a 3/4 inch steel rod, and I'm hoping that's going to work well in here. So it's going to be a little bit smaller than this, which is correct. So hopefully I'll be able to use that here on these bearings. I think these tires are rated for like 300, maybe 400 pounds. And so if I got the two of them, my cart should be able to hold everything that I need it to. And I'm also going to do some supports across the bottom. So the clearance is only going to be right here, like 5 inches or so. But anyway, just wanted to show you what's in the works here. Now you may be thinking, Seth, why aren't there very many videos out lately? Last night was my last night of a 14-day stretch of working third shift. So real tired. And then the week, 2 weeks ago, we were in Mississippi for a funeral. So that being said, hopefully this upcoming week I will start filming more videos. I am going to be gone. I'm going to be gone a couple of days for a work trip that I'm going to be just to Knoxville. So anyway, hopefully after that we will get back into a routine. The first coat of paint on our table did not turn out so well, and actually I can scrape some of it off here. So the plan now is to do a sanding to make the surface a bit more rough. I just got this first one touched a little bit here, and I'm going to repaint. So I'm going to crank up some music and get some work done because I already showed you this clip once. I just let him out.
Okay. Yeah, if you can find a flatter spot, it looks like there's plenty of room in there. Yeah, one place is for feet and one place is for head.
Well, we just had a shopping trip in Asheville. Had a good time. Went to Trader Joe's and we went to just various places around town. Then we went back to my parents' house to hang out for a bit and had supper, and that was good. And I got a text message from the power company that said our power was out because there was a monster storm that hit. And our power is still out, so I do have to ship out ram pumps tomorrow, which means I have to make pressure tanks the old-fashioned way with a hacksaw in the dark, just like they did back in the old days. So I am about to leave on a work trip for the next 2 days, and which means I'm cutting the vlog short. I can't really edit because we have no power, but maybe it will come back on sometime soon. That being said, do check out the link in the description to the new hats. So if you're looking to look really cool in a Land of House hat, I would appreciate that, and it will definitely help to support the channel here. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next week for another exciting vlog.